Welcome to Paradise City, where we turn spaces into homes. Have you found yourself in a living space that is either unfinished, outdated, or doesn't represent your style and success? Do you feel like contractors simply didn't get your vision, or their work is unreliable and below your standards? Well, then you've come to the right place. Here at Paradise City, we'll turn your inspiration into reality. We start with your vision, then apply our knowledge and craftsmanship to build stylish, modern, and sophisticated interiors. With 18 years of experience, we pride ourselves in being up to date with the latest styles and technology. As professionals, we help you with the design and material selection, and by using our online system, we make it easy for you to enjoy your building project. With the details right at your fingertips, you can monitor and control your renovation progress, make changes to the project, and pay bills. Check out our gorgeous portfolio and get inspired. We have built many beautiful interiors with affordable budgets, and don't just take our word for it. Check out what some of our happy clients have to say about us. Bring your home up to date with 21st century standards and styles. For your complimentary design and budget consultations, please give us a call now. The team at Paradise City is ready to take you home.